Yo, what's up guys? JVonD here. Gonna be showing you what I'm up against here. I got my Octatrack. I'm gonna be programming the Octatrack through Reason and triggering stuff with my Korg. Now with Reason we're using their MIDI, external MIDI instrument rack plugin, and I can play the Octatrack no problem. I'm trying to get this to play the slices would be nice, but one of the weird things is so I have this programmed to a quarter scale. Now normally I'll be playing this in half scale mode, but for this example I'm just going to have this in quarter scale to show you kind of what I'm thinking. And I think, let me turn this off, I believe you can get multiple triggers in each one of these, and I'll give you the example here. Let me start this. Listen over here. There was a double trigger right there. And back here. Both of these I think have double triggers in it. And that number 11. And the only way I can get it to do that is by turning off the live record, or the live Quantize here. Quantize live record mode. I couldn't figure out how to get it to quantize properly, so what I want to do is actually have quantize the beat in Reason and then have it play into here, into the Octatrack, so it's timed up. But that's what I'm trying to figure out, and I just wanted to give an example of how you can have multiple trigs in that one trig. But the weird thing is, if I go in here and I hold down, number 11 here, and I do the right left, it only shows you one trig in there. But you can hear when it comes through that it's actually going to have two in there. Yeah, you hear that? So, and I don't have, like, my playback on this channel is like, it's not retriggering or nothing. If I go here and I hold down 11, it's not retriggering nothing. So, I don't know, it's really weird. But what I'm trying to do is actually have, if you go into the scale mode, instead of having, 64 by 1, you could do 64 by half. And then what that allows you to do is, instead of having to trigger two patterns, because you can, hold down pattern and trigger two patterns, and then they'll loop 100. That'll be 128 beat loop. Instead of having to hit two, you can just hit one, and then this will now at half scale will be a 128 beat loop, and that way I can have two songs per bank instead of one song per bank, and I can have these set up to have two pattern zones, one for each song. And then that's just kind of like consolidating, so I can have double the amount of songs per program or set, basically. I think program. So that would be awesome, but that's what I'm trying to do. Cool. And thanks for all your help, by the way.
Hey guys, JVonD here in the studio. Just wanted to invite you to come by the website, JVonD.com, where all the fun stuff's going on. If you want more tutorials, you can just search for like Reason up in the search bar or the Octatrack, or at the bottom, you can go to the category view and click on tutorials. And there's 26 of them in there, so enjoy those. And thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Yeah.